Hello! Oh, hang on a minute. No. No. No, it's just silly. No. Oh, maybe. No. Oh, there you go. Hello and welcome to Tweed's Garage. Hello and season's greetings to you at Tweed's Garage, where in this video we have a little fiddle around with a vintage Mamod steam traction engine. This was a friend of mine, his boyhood toy, and I think it's spent the past sort of 30-40 years under the stairs, sort of tucked away in its box, and so I thought I'd have a go at sort of seeing if we can get it running. So sit down, grab yourself a cup of tea, and let's get into it. So here we have the Mamod traction engine. Very simple to operate. So you've got the boiler here that you fill with water. You fill it through the safety valve, take the safety valve off, fill it up. You've got what looks like a regulator in the cab, but is actually just a drain down tap. So you take this out and then fill it until the water runs out of there, and then you've got about a half boiler of water. Then you remove the meths burner, which is here. Fill this with methylated spirits. Pop it in there, and then just wait for it to raise steam. And once the safety valve steam starts coming out of here, you know it's ready. So then you can sort of turn your regulator on and spin your flywheel either forwards or backwards, depending on what direction you want it to run. Because it's an oscillating engine, it won't start on its own. So you know, needs some physical input to get it to run. Yeah, and adjust your steam there on the regulator. And then at the back there, it has got a functioning steam whistle that is designed with safety in mind, so children don't scald their hands on the steam whistle. They place it above the flame so that you can't get your fingers in there to use it, because you'll burn your fingers before you scald your fingers. So safety in mind there. But you know, we have an older generation had these as toys, and we were perfectly happy with them. No houses were burnt down, I don't think so. Many a kitchen floor was probably scorched, and probably the odd kitchen table. But it was a rite of passage getting told off by your mother for burning the lino. So there you go, one Mamod traction engine. So there you go, a little oddity to keep you entertained over the festive season. And yes, work on the Riley is commencing. It's still going on. I have had the man flu. Quiet ladies, quiet. If you haven't had man flu, you don't know what it's like. So I'm just about getting back out into the garage and getting on with it. But I'll keep you updated. Till then, cheerio, and let's hope next year's better than this year. Bye. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to Tweed's Garage. Oh, turn the light on. Hello. Oh, God.